Tubi Television Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Tubi Television isn't just another streaming service. You won't believe how much content you get without ever paying a subscription. Most people get this wrong by assuming free streaming comes with low-quality shows, but the surprising truth is Tubi offers thousands of movies and television episodes across genres, all completely free. How does it work? Tubi is ad-supported, meaning you'll see occasional commercials, but this trade-off keeps everything free. You won't believe the value when you compare it to subscription-based services. High-quality films, classic television, and even exclusive content can be streamed instantly. There is no monthly fee, no hidden charges, and no trial periods to worry about. For those who want extra convenience, Tubi allows you to create a free account to track your watch list and resume shows across devices. Most people get this wrong by thinking free means limited features, but Tubi offers fully functional apps on Roku, Fire TV, smart TVs and mobile devices. You can watch in HD and content is regularly updated, so you'll never run out of options. In conclusion, Tubi Television pricing is straightforward. It's free, supported by ads, and delivers a surprisingly rich library of entertainment. By understanding how ad-supported streaming works and exploring the platform's features, you can enjoy hours of content without paying a dime. Tubi is more than just free television. It's a legitimate alternative to paid streaming services for anyone looking for variety and value.